Hi, my name is Danny M. Solom, and I'm the founder of Decryptionary.com. That's the simplest crypto dictionary and beginner's guide. So I got into crypto back in March or April of 2017 after I put a couple $100 into two different types of cryptocurrencies called Monero and Ethereum. Now, I forgot all about it, and then a few weeks later, a friend of mine says, "Hey, I think you got to go check the price of it. I'm pretty sure it went way up." To my surprise, I see that my initial investment of a couple $100 has 5x'd in value. Now, I'm the kind of guy that when I invest in something, I need to know what it is that I've made my money on. So I made it my objective to really understand cryptocurrency and the whole subject around it. As I was digging through the confusion, figuring out what cryptocurrency was and the subject around it, and it became abundantly clear to me that nothing was simple. Whether it was a website, an article, or a forum, it was just full of these complex words and phrases. And I realized if I was having this problem, there must be others having the same problem, right? Whether that was dozens or hundreds or everyone. So that's why I created Decryptionary. Now, Decryptionary has over 200 entries all written in super plain, easy to read English. It's all written in an explain like I'm five format. If you're familiar with Reddit or other websites, they may use that style of writing. Here's an example of the word blockchain as defined by Decryptionary.com. Blockchain is technology for creating permanent, secure digital recordings that don't rely on any single person or group. Blockchains can record any information. The first example was created to record Bitcoin transactions. So after spending weeks and countless hours creating tons of different definitions for the words in the subject of crypto, I recognized that people like my parents, well, a dictionary just wasn't enough. They needed a resource, a walkthrough to take them by the hand and guide them through the entire process of getting started in crypto. And that's why I created a series of free PDFs, all available on Decryptionary.com. They're visual and they're all written in the same Explain Like I'm Five English to walk you through the process of introducing you to crypto, buying your first crypto, diversifying into different types of cryptocurrencies, protecting your crypto, and so on. So what's next? Please visit the link below and subscribe to get access to my next video guide, Intro to Crypto. It's going to be simple, visual, and entertaining. I'll see you in my next video.